Part number 72171, FBXW, is a 4 11/16 electrical junction box that has a flat vertical bracket for wall studs, and it also has clamps for flexible metal cable on two sides, as well as 1/2 and 3/4 inch concentric knockouts opposite the flat vertical bracket. In addition to this, it has 2 3/4 inch knockouts and 3 1/2 inch knockouts in the bottom of the box. The way this box works is quite simple. You simply remove the slug, which creates an opening for your flexible metal conduit. Make sure that slug falls out of the box. You then can install the box, aligning the flat vertical bracket with the wall stud. Then you install your flexible metal cable, like so. Tighten down the clamp, and the installation is complete. For these and other great products, be sure to visit us online at garvinindustries.com.